Today, we're taking flight with one of the most exciting new mini drones of the year. Introducing the YL105 8K HD Mini Drone, a compact powerhouse designed for kids, beginners, and anyone who wants pro-level aerial shots without the high price tag. Despite its small size, the YL105 is packed with big drone features. It starts with a brushless motor, delivering smoother, quieter, and more durable performance, perfect for stable shots and confident flying, even in winds of 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. And you're gonna love the camera. This drone boasts 8K and even 10K HD video capability, giving you crystal clear footage from a lightweight 200-gram aircraft. The electrically adjustable camera lets you fine-tune your angle mid-flight, while the dual camera switching feature lets you capture perspectives from the sky and from below. Thanks to optical flow positioning, the YL105 hovers smoothly and stays locked in place, even if you're flying indoors or in tight spaces. And for beginners, the controls couldn't be easier. You get one key start, one key takeoff, one key landing, and even one key 360-degree flips. Headless mode keeps the drone aligned with your controller, and the built-in trajectory flight tool lets you draw a path and let the drone fly it automatically. Plus, it's loaded with smart camera features, gesture photography, automatic video recording, emergency stop, calibration mode, forward, backward, sideways, and rotation controls. With a flight time of up to 15 minutes, 5,000-meter remote distance, and Wi-Fi real-time image transmission, the YL105 gives you the perfect balance between power, portability, and fun. Whether you're capturing your first aerial selfie or performing flips in the backyard, this mini drone delivers big performance at a small size. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the YL105 drone to see whether it's the right flyer for your next adventure.